I had a very bad experience in university where I didn't know what to do with music. I loved music, so I thought, oh, the only thing I can do is be a music teacher in a school. So I'd gone to uni, and it became apparent to me very early on that I'm not academic. I'm not very good at writing things. I'm a very hands-on type of person, and there wasn't any of that at all. They promised the world to me, and there wasn't any of that, and there was a lot of written work. And at one point, I remember one of the tutors, I was sitting in the class, and he'd give us a brief, and I was reading it, and I really struggle with instructions when they're written down. Mm-hmm. I can read fine, but I don't know what the heck I just said. So I'm reading this brief. I was like, I don't get it. So I thought, I'll put my hand up, and I asked him, I said, can you just explain what this means, please? And he said, read it again. And I was like, I've read it quite a few times. I just don't understand what he's trying to say. And he's read it again. And I was like, I could read it as many times as you want me to. I'm not understanding what it says.
Good on you.
Yeah. And he turned to me in front of 40 other people, and he said, have you got learning difficulties? And I stopped, and he went, are you dyslexic? And I was like, no, I didn't think I was at the time. I just thought I didn't understand the brief. And I was like, no. And I got very angry. And because of this tutor, there was a couple of other things that had happened with him. I dropped out. I was like, I can't do this. And I never went back to anything academic. And I found my own path, being very hands-on. So when it came to doing the accreditation, obviously I was nervous. I was very excited. And it became very apparent to me early on in the course that, oh my gosh, like I had a flashback to feelings from university because I haven't been in this setting. And I think we had to read something, and I was like, oh my God, I don't understand what this is. And I got myself into a bit of a panic. And then all those old thoughts of I'm too stupid, I don't belong here, started to come in again. And I was like, oh my God, I can't say anything, I better not. And then I thought, hold on, I'm a grown woman. Reach out, just tell them what's going on. So I sent you an email about it, and oh my God, just the response that I had from you guys was just, that was healing in itself. Just being able to reach out and think, oh my God, are they going to tell me off? Am I going to be stupid? Well, that's schoolgirl type of vibes going on. That was not the case at all. And I can't thank you guys enough for that, because that was just a moment of just so much love there and caring. And you guys reached back out and was like, it's not a problem at all. Can we send it to you in this form? How do you learn? What can we do to help? That sentence, what can we do to help? I was like, oh, I'm not sure. Okay, so how do I learn? And then that changed a lot for me, because that was the realization I don't learn like some other people do. So how do I learn? And throughout the whole course, you both have been so caring and so supportive, and created that safe environment for me to be able to go, I don't understand that. Can you say it? And be like, okay, let's do it a different way. And let's do it this way. Does that help? And that's just such a beautiful thing. So if there's anybody out there worrying about they might be neurodivergent, am I going to get on this course? Oh, yes, you are. Absolutely.
Absolutely.